Okay, we're leaving our beautiful campsite.
Bye, Alamo Lake.
Bye, Alamo Lake.
A great 3 days.
The Wayside restaurant bar store. Beer, ice, bait, propane.
Everything.
Airport.
Airport. One-stop shop.
Just left our Alamo Lake spot, which was down the road in that direction. Figured we'd stop by here and have a look at things. These guys aren't looking too good today. I think they're goners. This guy's not doing too good either. Hold your horses. All right, let's go into the Wayside Oasis. Check it out. They have a caged area, and I'm like, I think they have a tortoise here, but I can't see it. And Bailey's staring at something, and I'm like,
because it's right in front of us.
Don't let her get up. I'm like, that's because it's right there. You can't get any closer than that. No, you can't get any closer than that.
We don't want to bother him.
Hi, buddy.
You can look at him, but you can't bug him.
Hi, buddy.
Wow. Here we saw a desert tortoise.
There you go. There's our tortoise. There's our tortoise.
No.
Bailey's like, what is that?
I know. That's as close as I'm letting you get.
What is that, Bailey? I've never seen such a thing. I've never seen such a thing. Back on the washboard road.
Yep. This is where we lost the cupboard the other day.
Lock slid out.
This is I think about 3 miles, I think, to the paved zero on this.
Sounds about right.
Getting a sandy-ish wash.
Oh, it's mostly good.
Yeah, right.
Made it to the pavement.
Woohoo! Nothing fell out.
Nothing fell out. You're clear over here.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going. All right. Back on pavement.
Good driving. Back getting water. We're gonna get 2 filled this time before we head out of the Siloam area on our way to Sun City West. Made a stop in Costco real quick for a hard drive. And a couple other things. And this Costco is busy. Good Lord. I grabbed the hard drive and went off to the restroom. Sent Shari off to look for a couple other things, and I'm thinking we better just bug out of here because the lines up front are no joke. They're crazy, crazy busy. We'll run our way out the door unscathed. That was quite interesting.
It was a busy Costco.
That was a busy Costco.
It's like a week before
gosh.
Super Bowl. It's like Christmas in here.
Jeez. So we're getting our receipt checked. Holy cow.
It's the opposite of the other.
The surprise one. Yeah, we're in Avondale, Arizona right now.
This is a very busy shopping
Woo.
center area.
Yeah, it is. Oh, that's true. There's a lot around here. Just arrived at Susan's place here in Sun City West. We made a quick stop in Peoria to pick up our mail at Jennifer and Judy's friend's place. They left our mail there when they went through a couple days ago. So here we are at Susan's. We just fit in her driveway. That's awesome. Be off the road. I love it. Not level, but at least we're not like head low, so that'll work out great for us. We've got an appointment first thing tomorrow morning to get the oil changed in the van, so we'll be moving out of here first thing in the morning temporarily and then right back in here. So we've got dinner started. We're gonna go on in and get that finished and visit for a while. We're out here before the sunup. We've got an oil change appointment at 7 a.m. about 20 minutes away, so it's a little bit after 6, and we're going to be hitting the road here just in about 10 or 15 minutes. Make sure we make it there on time. But we're out on a quick little potty walk with Bayley. Good girl. That's the way to get her done. That's the way to get her done. Good job. Oh, motion light. We've been busted. We're a little bit early. We gotta wait till they unlock the doors. But it says right on the building, clearance 11'8". I like that. We've gone to so many Ford dealers where we've explained our situation beforehand. No, we're extra tall. We need to make sure there's room. And we show up and they say, we can't fit that in our bay. I like the 11'8" sign. That's great. This is my life. Got your tail stepped on. Oh. All right, we're hanging on the Ford dealership again. Yep, getting our oil changed. And the guy, Colin, very nice guy, he said it should be about an hour and a half. So it's 7:15. We're expecting 8:45. We'll see. Well, that took longer than planned. We would have been out of here in an hour and a half. Colin, who was our service helper guy, I guess. Anyway, he said, yep, hour and a half. Should be out of here hour and a half. And it was an hour and a half. He came and got us, and it was great, no problems. Came back in the van and started loading stuff up, and somebody had walked with greasy feet into the back of the van. So I brought Colin out, and he looked at it, and he said, that shouldn't happen. Oh, and there were some things that had shoved out of one of the cubbies back there, the shelf that's above the water bottles. So which I didn't have like super securely stashed because we're just in town here, and but still, it should not come just flying out. Yeah, he said he talked to the technician, and the technician said when they were doing their little test drive, which they do, somebody cut in front of him and he had to hit the brakes. And I said, well, how fast was he going that he had to hit the brakes that hard that it launched things off of a shelf? I said, we've driven for 50,000 miles and never launched things off a shelf while we're driving, and I've had to hit the brakes several times over the years. Only washboard to Lake Alamo. Yeah. Alamo Lake. Yeah. So anyway, they took it back to the detail department. They cleaned the greasy footprints off everything, so we've got clean carpet and clean mat back there. And then we started talking about spare tire key, the little key that drops your spare tire because it's underneath the van, and we couldn't find the key. So we called the technician back there, and they said, oh, we didn't rotate the spare in. Specifically asked to rotate the spare in. I always ask to have the spare rotated in. Colin noted it on the paper, and the guy never looked at the paper. He just rotated the 4. So back it goes. So here we are now. It's an hour and a half almost after. So an hour and a half to do the service and an hour and a half to do the other things. But the oil's changed. All the tires are rotated in place. We learned about we don't need a special key for that spare tire. It is just part of the whole jack system, the part of the
It's not a big deal.
It's not a big deal.
So, and we're going to come up with some sort of way to identify whether or not the spare's actually been dropped next time.
We are, because we don't know.
Yeah, we don't know. It's, you know, it's a trust issue. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to figure that out, whether we mark something in the little well where the nut is to drop the spare, or we mark the tires somehow. But I don't know. We're going to figure it out.
Somehow, so that we know that they've done that.
Yeah.
Because apparently if they don't feel like doing it, they just won't do it.
Yeah, or didn't look at the paperwork.
Or didn't look at the paperwork.
And that's important for us. We don't want to have a spare tire that is brand new and have 4 tires, you know, that have 30,000 miles on it, and now we've got a brand new tire in the mix that's kind of wobbly, so we want the spare rotated.
Yeah, it's kind of a trust issue when you just drop something off. It's like, well, I guess you did what you said you were going to do. I mean, we'll look at the oil filter and see if that's been changed. And you know,
I mean, that looks new. I don't know.
You know, other than
we've
that,
gone down enough dusty roads that it should,
no
it
kidding.
should be pretty clear.
All right, we're going.
We're out of here. Thank you, Peoria Ford. Good job. Still haven't made it back to Susan's from our appointment this morning. We're on the quest for some organic half and half so we can make our yogurt. We're getting low. This is our 3rd store. Is that right? 3rd store. So we're looking for dairy down this way. Well, store number 3 was a fail. Why can't we find half-gallon organic half and half anywhere? 3 stores. I don't get it. Well, we might have to go out with Susan later anyway, so we'll look at another store. We're done. What are we doing today? Well, let's see. What did we already do today? We already gave you a little hair trim on the back of your legs. We already trimmed your fur on your feet. Let me see. Trimmed the fur on your feet. That looks really good. And we trimmed your claws. That looks amazing. And now we're going to give you a tubby. You haven't had a tubby. What? Go wash the desert off of you. Let's wash the desert off of you. Ready? Come out here. Come on. Let's see. Okay. Tubby time. Come here. Look, we have a fluffy dog now. We have a very fluffy dog.
So fluffy. I think you're actually black again.
I know you're shiny. Wow. Come here. Come here, baby. Come here, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fluffy and clean. All right, stay here. All right, we just took Bayley to the Quartzsite Dog Park. Again, get some real grass. There's Dad. We found him. Yahoo!